Hey everybody, it's Kyle here. Welcome back to another video. I am going to try something different. I'm going to try and get the recommended amount of water in my body for the next week. From what I looked up on the internet, because we can all trust the internet, just kidding, is anywhere from between 75 ounces to 125 ounces. I'm going to aim for 100 ounces, and I would recommend that you follow recommended guidelines and don't overdo it because over drinking too much water can be bad for you. So stay within the recommended limits. But I know for sure that I don't hit the limits every day. And I think this is going to help me reach those goals or have a better chance of reaching those goals because I'm reporting back to you guys. So this is day one. It is about 12:30, and this is my first 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 bottle of water. So I'm gonna try and post updates and see how much water I can drink in a day for the next 7 days. I hope you'll stick with me, and I hope this goes better than I'm thinking it's going to go. But we'll see. So stay tuned. Update on day one of trying to drink around 100 ounces of water a day for a week. That's going to be a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Um, in the meantime, of this first clip, I've drank 2 other bottles of water, so I'm at a total of 3. Today wasn't the best day to start wanting to film because I spent the day with my niece, so I didn't really record anything. But I'm at 3 bottles of water, a large Coke from McDonald's, and a glass of milk. Um, and this morning I had a Carnation Essentials breakfast shake. But after 3 bottles of water, it's like, oh, do I want another? I know I need another to get the ounces, but I'm gonna take a break. 3 bottles of water, and then it was like, I need something else. So that's when I got the Coke. And then for dinner, I had a glass of milk. So I don't know. I'll try and get at least one more bottle of water. It's about 8 o'clock right now, so in 4 hours, maybe I can get another bottle, but for now, I'm going to take a break. Yeah, so I'm hoping, this has been a little harder than I thought it was going to be, so I'm hoping by the end, I will have gotten, by the end of the 7th day, that I will have, been consistently drinking for the 100 ounces. That's what I'm going for. Maybe 75. Maybe 75 is more realistic for me. Because from what I read, like I said before, 75 to 125 is kind of the range that I got and several sources that I looked like. So maybe 75 is more realistic for me. But maybe I'll try and get at least one more bottle of water, like I said. But if that happens, I'll let you know. And if it doesn't happen, I'll also let you know. But we'll see. So, wish me luck. Hey, quick little last minute update to end day one. I did finish a 4th bottle of water. So, in total, I drank 67.6 ounces. So, well short of 100 ounces. It's a piece of advice for not only myself, but anyone watching this. Be sure to space it out better than I did. Don't decide that you haven't drank enough and chug 3 bottles right in a row, which isn't what I did, but that's what it kind of felt like. I drank 3 in 4 hours, and I think that was just a little bit too soon for me. For day 2, I hope to start sooner so I can spread it out and not feel so waterlogged and hopefully get some more ounces. And yes, it is true. When you drink a lot of water, you have to use the bathroom a lot. So be prepared for it to flush you out. So even though I didn't hit 100 ounces for the first day. 67.6 is, I think, well above what I usually get. So that is an accomplishment. And here's hoping for a good day 2. Start of day 2 of trying to drink 100 ounces of water. I apologize, I'm still in my pajamas, but this is my first bottle of water. I have it right about 25 ounces, so if I can drink 4 of these, I'll be doing okay. I'll be checking back in with my progress. Hey everybody, just a quick update on day 2 of trying to drink 100 ounces of water. So today actually went a lot better than yesterday. I did accomplish the 100 ounces for 25-ounce bottles of water because I had a big water bottle like you saw in the earlier clip. Sorry, this is the only other clip from today. It was just a very difficult day to film, just a lot of stuff going on. But I started at 10:30 and I finished my 4th bottle of water around 10:30 at night. So it did take me 12 hours to finish the 100 ounces, but that definitely did help me not feel so waterlogged and bloated. It was a lot easier to drink today, but I think that also is because I added some lemonade flavor packets to 2 of the bottles. So 2 just plain tap water and 2 lemonade. And that definitely helped me a lot. I'm hoping that I can continue this into tomorrow. It's definitely still flushing me out. I haven't noticed any big changes as of today compared to yesterday, but I'll continue to bring those up if something does change. But here's to day 3. So, start of day 3. It's 11:45, and this is my first bottle of water. So I'm already behind. So we'll see how this goes. But I'll keep you posted. Hey everybody, it's an update on day 3. It is currently 8:23, and this would be my 3rd bottle of water today. I just filled it up. So hopefully I'll be able to get another one in. And I had 2 bottles of water, a large high C from Wendy's, and about a quarter of this of Coca-Cola so far today. So hopefully I can get this and another one. It's, like I said, almost 8:30. So I don't know how well I'm gonna do, but we'll give it our best shot. Yeah. You think I would drink a little bit more because it was 90 degrees here and I was outside, but I did not drink more than I thought I would. So I'm behind, but we'll see how far we get. Last update for day 3 of trying to drink 100 ounces of water per day for a week. It is about 1:15 in the morning. My last bottle was about an hour ago. So I was able to drink 3 bottles of water. With this bottle and how big it was, that equals about 75 ounces of water. So I did come up short, but that's okay. We'll try again tomorrow. I haven't really noticed any dramatic changes. No dramatic boost in energy levels. Maybe it's working. I'm hoping to have a better picture of that by Sunday. But yes, I just wanted to give a final total update of 75 ounces of water, and here is to day 4. It's the beginning of day 4, it's 12:15, and this is my first bottle of water. So, it's not going very well, like I haven't even drank it yet. So, it's not looking too good, but we'll see. Final update on day 4. Today was extremely hard. I don't know why, it was just kind of one of those days. And it's kind of the middle of the experiment, and it was just difficult to get myself to really get all 100 ounces. I got about 67.9 ounces, 2 big water bottles, and a regular sized water bottle. So I did not make it. I'm hoping tomorrow will be a better day. I don't know if it was the water itself or it was just kind of a blah day. So we'll see. Bottle number 1 is already chilling in the fridge for tomorrow. But we'll keep trying. But part of me kind of wants to give up, but I want to see this through, and I want to be able to do it. I want to be able to do it, so we're going to keep going. It is the start of day 5. I am doing a lot better than yesterday because it's only about 11:15 and I started drinking my first bottle. I've got some green apple flavor in it, so hopefully that helps. And I think that does help. Flavored water has been helping me drink it faster. But I can't reiterate enough how much drinking 100 ounces or trying to drink 100 ounces of water really does flush you out. Because I had to get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, and I hardly ever had to do that before I tried this experiment, and now it's a regular occurrence. I just had to throw that out there. Oh, and I did want to make an ounces correction. I drank 66.9 ounces. I think I messed up yesterday. But so we're already off to a better start than yesterday. Here's hoping I can get to 100. Oh, review of day 5. It did not go as well as I thought it was going to go this morning. I only drank 2 full big bottles and maybe, generously speaking, half a bottle of a regular bottle of water. So I'm gonna guess about 58 ounces. I don't know. I don't know if I'm losing steam or, it started off pretty good with the first 2 bottles, and then I think, I had for lunch, I had a Coke from McDonald's, and then I had a little Zoom happy hour, so I had a drink there. And then and before that supper, I had a glass of milk, and I think that just kind of slowed the momentum down. Today was the first real day that I noticed it kind of did help curb hunger a little bit, made me a little fuller than I otherwise probably would have been. I haven't really noticed any change in energy. Today, actually, I was really low on energy. So, I don't know if it was the heat because it's really hot here. I got a decent amount of sleep, like 7.5 hours. So I'm not sure, that could be something too. But yeah, definitely no uptick in energy, not today anyway. But we'll see how tomorrow goes. Um, I'm I'm definitely not doing as well as I thought I was going to do. But we're gonna finish strong with day 6 and day 7 and see what happens. I'll see you tomorrow. It is the start of day 6. It is going to be a hot one today. Just let the dog out and I'm already sweating. I'm going to start my day to finish this off from yesterday. And then I'll switch over to my big bottles. And hopefully we'll get 100 ounces in today. But at this rate, I'm not promising anything. Well, everybody, day 6 did not go very well at all. I drank the leftovers of what was in that clip, so maybe 4 ounces. I don't even know. And I didn't switch over to my big bottle. I drank a regular 16.9 fluid ounces bottle. So Uh, I'm lucky to have drank about 21 ounces today, so I'm very disappointed in myself, actually. You know, I don't know. I did drink um, probably about that much in Powerade, but that's not the point. I'm supposed to drink water. So here's to day 7. Let's hope I finish strong. Fingers crossed. But here we go. It is day 7. I'm already doing better than yesterday because I had donuts for breakfast. And instead of milk, because we didn't have any, I had a small regular bottle of water. Here is my first big bottle. It is about 2 o'clock, so as long as I finish this, at least I'll be doing better than yesterday. But here's hoping to at least 2 of these, so I'll keep you updated. I have reached the end of day 7. I did not do as good as I said or thought I was going to do earlier in the day. I drank about 50 ounces. Um, about one, well, the one full bottle this morning, one big bottle throughout the day, and about half of another bottle. So roughly about 50 ounces. So better than day 6. So, that's something to end on. And, I never thought I would actually drink 100 ounces a day because I wasn't much for a water drinker before this, but this was done to test myself and to see what exactly it would take to drink 100 ounces. You definitely had to be very conscious of the amount of water you're drinking. This shows me that I was not drinking nearly enough, and I need to be more active in trying to drink more water. So, I did not succeed in drinking 100 ounces in a week, but that is something that helped me to recognize that I need to drink more water than I have been, and it shows me that I need to space drinking water out more than I did to begin with. I'm happy that I did drink 100 ounces um, this week. I did hit the goal once, and I'm happy with that. Every day is different, and this kind of tested, how well I handle that. I don't handle it very well, but it helps me to reevaluate and hopefully, in the future, I will do better. And I think 100 ounces is a little bit much for me. I think if I was to try this again, or as I try and integrate more water into my day to day, I'm going to try and settle for about 75 and then work my way up to 100 because something I read was about half of your body weight. So that would be about 95 ounces. But hopefully I will do better in the future. But this was a good test at how well I would do. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Um, my advice would be don't try and force yourself to drink if you set a goal of 100 ounces or however many ounces you set. Don't try and force the rest. Say your goal is 75 and you've only had 25 during the day and it's 10 o'clock at night. Do not try and drink that remaining 50 ounces in 2 hours. That is definitely water overload. Space it out. Be patient with yourself. And don't be afraid to try again the next day. And if it doesn't work the next day, then the next day. It's just trying to make yourself more conscious and aware of how much you're actually drinking and how you can improve upon that. So I have to do better. And, this definitely shows that. And I'm going to try harder in the day to day. But this was a fun experiment, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please like, comment, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.